Good day to all prospective employers in Hong Kong. My name is Richelle Bayaka Damiano, 36 years old, from Mananteng, Solsona, Ilocos Norte, Philippines. I am single and I am 155 centimeters and 60 kilograms. I am Roman Catholic and I am a high school graduate. My father's name is Ricarte Bayaka and my mother's name is Maria Teresa Bayaka. I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia in 1 year and 4 months. I serve 4 members in the family, 2 adult, 1-year-old kid boy, and newborn baby girl. I also work as a domestic helper in Oman in 2 years. I serve 6 members in the family, 2 adult, 7 years old, triplets kid boy, and 6 years old kid boy. My duties are cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing, cleaning the house, marketing. To my future employer in Hong Kong, please give me a chance or choose me as your helper. And I promise to do all my best to do my duties and responsibilities. I promise to finish my contract and follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. God bless.